You're not paid enough for this.
Yeah. Not paid anything for this.
I know. Hugs.
Oh, hugs.
I'll pay you in hugs.
Okay. Don't you hate it when you want to craft, but you're low on supplies and you don't want to leave the house?
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, it does. Well, today we're in the same boat. Hey everybody, I'm Cam.
And I'm Mom.
And today we've only got 5 materials.
And 5 minutes. Today we're going to make some Valentine's Day crafts with no preconceived ideas or any idea what we're going to make.
Yeah, we got no idea. We're flying blind with this, just good old-fashioned inspiration. Now, I'm a beginner.
And I'm not.
No, she's been doing this forever, so I guess you could say professional.
Yes.
Professional. So it ought to be interesting to see what we can come up with just off the dome. She has so many different ideas, so many points of reference, and I've got 0, so let's start the clock. All right, so.
Okay, I want this.
We got some burlap, got some, are these beads?
Yes, they're wood beads.
They don't look like beads, they're big.
Wood beads, some jute roping, and some yarn and cardboard.
All right, I'm just gonna do like a heart, something with a heart. We don't have much time.
Okay. Heart's appropriate.
Yeah, Valentine's Day, so
Yeah.
love and hearts and stuff.
Oh.
I've always been bad at like
I made
drawing
templates.
hearts. Oh. You
know how you do this. You take it and you fold it in half.
Hey, we only got 4.5 minutes, Mom.
I know, but let me show you.
Get out of here, dude.
I'm gonna win, so.
That ain't too bad. Look at that.
Oh, that's very good.
Okay, cool. This glue gun is a hunk of garbage. I don't even know if it's on.
It has a light on the back
Where?
that shows if it's on.
Oh,
I'm making a thing.
me too.
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
No, keep it a surprise.
Okay.
3.5 minutes.
Oh, no.
Oh my lord.
Mine just messed up.
Mine is continuously messing up. 5 minutes is not enough time to do a craft.
No, 3 minutes left. Cutting, cutting.
No. It's hard to remember glue gun safety when you're in a hurry.
Oh, it's in a knot.
That is not good. 2.5 minutes left. I might finish in time.
We'll see.
This is simple, I'm just wrapping.
Oh no, I need a thingy, a hook. I need a needle.
I'm like shaking, I'm in a hurry.
I'm just gonna glue it.
Minute and a half. Minute is, actually, it seems like it's moving a little slower. That's good.
Yeah, I need it.
Watch, as soon as I say that.
Please don't.
Well, I just did.
Glue all over everything. Oh, we still have a minute.
That's not much time. Oh my gosh, now I'm falling apart. This is not as good as I thought it would be.
Why not?
Because I'm not as good.
You could do it.
38 seconds. Doesn't even look like a heart anymore.
Sure it does. It's beautiful.
Wow. Thanks for the support, Mom.
Your biggest fan.
You liar.
I'm not lying. I'm your biggest fan.
16. 15. That's so nice. Thanks. You're done?
Yeah.
That's it? That's all you did?
That's all. It's
kinda
cute.
cool. Oh my gosh. Count down for me. I need to know.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, got it. All right.
Woo! This does need
That's
a
kind
little.
of cool.
It needs trimmed a little bit,
I was
but
a little overzealous with my attempt to make this.
oh, that's so much yarn.
Right?
It would have been good if you covered all the
Usually
spaces,
like half of
but
this thing.
yeah. Oh, that's jute. That's not yarn. That's jute.
Oh, jute.
Jute.
So anyway, this is what we got in 5 minutes. That 5 minutes went by quick.
Yes, it did.
All right, take a look. Look at that.
Oh, cute. A little tassel with some wood beads.
You can even do that.
Yeah. Add them together.
Yeah.
Bonus craft.
So you don't need a ton of time. You don't need a ton of materials to craft. Just get out there and craft. You know. We'll throw some clips of some other
Yeah.
crafts that Mom did. Some short crafts with few materials, Valentine's Day stuff. So maybe that give you some inspiration. But hopefully this gave you some inspiration, or at least an idea of what not to do. Look at that. Look how. That's so bad.
Look like kindergarten.
Anyway,
Just kidding. It looks beautiful.
I quit.
Come back.
Get this freaking thing out of me.
You're not paid enough for this.
Yeah. Not paid anything for this.
I know. Hugs.
Oh, hugs.
I'll pay you in hugs.
Okay. Thanks for coming to watch us. Go make stuff. Oh, that's dangerous.
No, it's not.
If I was doing that, you would get mad at me.
Yes,
for
I
sure.
would.
Yeah, let me see.
I'm a grown up.